I'm Tim Gilmore, and I run Dolphin Quay Boatyard, or have done been here for the last 15 years. We were invited to tender for the work to restore Terror. And I remember going down to, because she was in a greenhouse at Woodmancote, just down the road, and she was sat on this trailer and looked very forlorn. She was as you can imagine, she was built in 1880 by J.D. Foster, just down the creek there, where the new houses are now. That used to be a big boatyard, and she was built there. But she looked in sore need of attention, and we put the tender together, and it was accepted. And she came to the yard, and we started on her. She was set up in the temporary shed there at the other end of the yard, where she stayed for the duration of the project. But we basically made the shelter strong enough so that she could be suspended from the shed structure, and then we supported her underneath, and then basically we just progressively removed each component of her aging and very tired structure and replaced it with new, starting with the keel, the transom and the stem. So basically all that dropped out the bottom of it was taken away, patterned up, and new components put back, and it sort of went from there really. From the centre line, then we did all the frame repairs, and then we replaced every other plank progressively. We managed to save half the original planks, and the other half were new. And then she had a new deck, and that was basically the essence of her restored hull structure.